Gold prices hovered near $3,250 per ounce on Friday, heading for their sharpest weekly loss in over 2 months as demand for safe haven assets weakened. Sentiment shifted after news that China may resume trade talks with the U.S., raising hopes of easing tensions between countries. U.S. President Trump also indicated potential trade agreements with India, Japan, and South Korea, and voiced optimism about a deal with China. Earlier in the week, he signed an executive order easing tariffs on automobiles and parts. The euro held above $1.13 after strong Eurozone inflation data. Headline inflation stayed at 2.2% in April, while core inflation rose to 2.7%, reinforcing expectations that the ECB may cut rates by 60 basis points by year-end. Gold slipped to around $3,250, on track for its worst week in 2 months, while silver dropped over 3% to $32, pressured by weak global data and softer industrial demand. China's factory activity hit a 16-month low, further weighing on sentiment. Brent crude declined 1.4% to $61.29, posting its biggest weekly loss since March amid uncertainty ahead of the OPEC Plus policy meeting, with expectations of higher output and persistent geopolitical risks adding to the bearish mood. U.S. stock indices recorded strong weekly gains despite a surprise 0.3% contraction in Q1 GDP. The Nasdaq rose 3.38%. The Dow added 3%, and the S&P 500 climbed 2.90%. Supported by a busy earnings season and easing U.S.-China tension. Microsoft surged 12%, and Meta gained 9%, while Google and Apple ended the week flat. Key U.S. data releases are due next week, starting with services PMI. The Federal Reserve will announce its interest rate decision on Wednesday, followed by the Bank of England's decision on Thursday.